Hi everyone. So today I'll be solving a question. Let me open this up. So the question is, as you see, a crescent is formed by two circles which touch at the point A. As you see, this is the bigger circle and the inner circle, and this is the point of contact. Okay, and this O is the center of the bigger circle. It is given CB, the length of this part CB is 9 centimeter and ED is 5 centimeter. Okay, and you have to find the area of the shaded region, which is a crescent. Okay, so obviously this area is nothing but area of the let me write down shaded area of bigger circle minus area of smaller circle. These basic steps are very important to write. Okay, and after that let me assume the radius of the bigger circle to be say R, capital R. Okay, so let me write here, let R is the radius of bigger circle and smaller radius of the smaller circle. This is the easier convention. Okay, so that will be we take pi common. You see, first we do the algebraic simplifications. Okay, that will always help you. So the identity A plus B into A minus B. Okay, let me keep it up to this. Okay, so this is, so now I have to find the value of these two, R and capital smaller, isn't it? Now how I can do? So for that I have to observe the figure. Okay, so first of all you see, if this is the center of the smaller circle, so this part is R. Let me write it down as O dash. Okay, so O dash A is smaller and O dash C is also smaller. Okay, fine. And this part is your capital, is not it? So you see one thing. Yes. Okay. So you will see on the AC, this point is C, no? So you see AC plus CB. What is that? AC plus CB is nothing but diameter of the bigger circle. So it is twice of R. Is it okay? No?
Yes,
Maybe. And what is AC? AC is again diameter of the smaller circle. So it is twice R. And CB is given to be your 9 centimeter. So twice R. So I got a linear relationship between the two radii. That is very important. So I'll make use of it afterwards. Let me write it as equation 2. Now after that what will I do? You see, I'll join this O dash D so that I got a right, this is 90 degree, okay. So I got a right triangle and I'll be applying Pythagoras theorem. Because you see two unknowns are there, no? So I need minimum two equations. So one equation I got observing this figure, and that second equation I'll be getting by applying Pythagoras theorem in the triangle base. So let me write it by Pythagoras theorem. I think this is given to me 90 degree, okay. So now Pythagoras theorem in right triangle O dash OD. O dash OD. Is it okay now? I have taken this triangle. Right now? So what that will be your O dash O square plus OD square is equal to O dash D square. Okay? Now again you observe the figure. What is your O dash O?
R.
No, O dash C is R. O dash C is your smaller, okay? See, observe the figure. O dash C is smaller.
And U dash also R.
Yeah, this is also O dash. So, you observe one thing. So this and this much is not given. So I can do in this way. You see, this total is R and this much, or I can take. But this one is okay. Fine. This is very easy. This is OD. OD is what? This total is your R, is not it? EO is R minus, is it okay? ये तो आसान है. So what is EO? EO is your capital R, and DO, so just a minute, this is, you should tell me, no, OD is your ED, this is not it, that is the thing, you should have observed these things. So ED is your 5, so R minus 5. So this length is your R minus 5, that I got. So if I can find out this length, is not it, that is O, where is that? Oh, yes, O dash O, that I need to find.
Ma'am, please explain this, the third part. OD is equal to EO minus ED. One second.
So what is OD is this part, is it, can you see?
Yes, ma'am.
What is this part? And what about ED is this radius of the bigger circle, can you see? Right.
OD is the radius of the bigger circle.
And this part is given to you, this is 5. So total R minus this 5 is your OD. Is it okay now?
Okay, sir.
Fine. So now I have to find this oldest, yeah. Okay. Oldest O. This one. So this much is your, I can find in this way.
Ma'am, big R minus small r.
Maybe in just a minute. This is your total. This much is your big R, is not it?
Yes, ma'am.
So you've understood the thing, and this much is smaller. So good.
Big R minus small r.
Very good. So you can observe the figure. So this observation is required. So this is bigger minus smaller. So now I got this, so I can put the value. So this is R minus R whole square plus OD is R minus 5 whole square, and O dash D is nothing but the radius of the small circle.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So, okay, fine. Now I'll open it and I'll be making use of this second equation here because I have to convert it to one variable equation. Let me first open it, okay, then it will be easy. So by identity, you know that these things, you know how very easy, okay. This R square getting cancelled, right? Now R square plus R square 2R square, okay, then minus 2R, and what will I do? I replace this R by this equation from this. Or I can do one interesting thing. You see what I can do, because 2R is related to R, no? So this, I'll keep this in this way.
Okay.
Understood?
Yes,
I keep R, and this 2 into R, I can use here 2R minus 9. 2R minus 9. Is it okay?
yes, sir.
Then this I have already taken, then minus 10R plus 25 is equal to 0, right? So let me write it here using equation 2. Okay, fine. So it is, I'll be getting a quadratic equation. Let's see. 2R square minus, also it is so nice, you see, this will be getting cancelled, minus minus plus 9R minus 10R plus 25 is equal to 0. Fine. So nice. So,
R is 25.
yeah, so easy, you see. It seemed it will be difficult, but it came out so nice, no? So when I know R25 from equation 2, I'll be getting the value of R also. Therefore, from equation 2, I'm getting the value of R. क्या है? 2R minus 9 by 2. 2R minus 9 by 2. So how much it is? 50 minus 9, 41?
41
by 2. So I have calculated the values of smaller and capital R, these two. Okay? You understood, no?
Yes, ma'am.
You simply need observation and basic geometry, Pythagoras theorem, all these things I have applied. Now I'll put this value here. So I can erase this part, I think. This part I can erase. So I'll do the calculation part now. Calculation part also you can manage. I'll put the value of pi at the last, depending upon what it comes out, no?
Yes, sir.
So R plus R. R plus R means it was 25 plus 41 by 2.
91 by 2.
Oh yes, so good. Can I write directly?
Yes, sir.
Doesn't put in the value. Okay, let me write it down. This 25 plus 41 by 2. And it is 25 minus 41 by 2. it seems I have to take 3.14 because it will not be multiple of 7. So into, now it is how much? 91 by 2, no? You are
Yes,
telling?
ma'am. 91.
91 by 2, and this is 9 by 2. 51 is
yes,
42.
ma'am. Yes.
So now I'll cancel this one.
1.57.
1.57. So my calculation will be 1.57 into 9 1 is 9, 9 9 is 81. Okay, so it's converged into this. Okay, and if you multiply, this will come out. The answer is.
Ma'am, it is divided by 2 also.
Oh yeah, no, oh, yes, that. So thank you. So there is divided by 2. Yes, I missed this too. Thank you. So for the observation. So if you do the calculation, it will come at 642.92. 642.92 centimeter square. This is the answer. Understood? It's a good question, no?
Yes, sir.
Okay, that's all. So I come to conclude the video.